The video starts by questioning why certain YouTube channels get more views despite equal or more effort being put into other channels. Emphasizes the frustration of seeing others' videos go viral while yours struggle. Introduces the concept that some channels understand fundamental growth strategies. Promises viewers that understanding these strategies can lead to significant viewership growth. Strategy 1. Leveraging trends. Highlights the success of Marquez's videos, particularly those related to the Apple Vision Pro. Notes the importance of timing and trend analysis using Google Trends. Explains that successful channels create content around trending topics to maximize views. Provides an example of a channel that saw a massive increase in views by focusing on a highly anticipated game release. Encourages viewers to create content around current trends in their niche to attract views. Strategy 2. Problem-solving content. Introduces Randoris's channel, which focuses on productivity and goal achievement. Points out the effectiveness of his video titles that directly address common problems. Emphasizes the importance of creating content that solves specific problems for the target audience. Notes that despite many channels covering similar topics, Rand's approach to titling and content focus sets him apart. Suggests that viewers tailor their content to address the specific needs and problems of their audience. Strategy 3. Relatability and Emotional Connection. Describes how Randoris relates to his audience by understanding their feelings and experiences. Explains that Rand's content not only solves problems but also resonates emotionally with viewers. Highlights the importance of making content relatable to keep viewers engaged and encourage repeat viewership. Emphasizes that understanding and connecting with the audience on an emotional level can significantly boost engagement. Recaps that successful YouTube channels create content that aligns with current trends, solves specific problems, and connects emotionally with viewers. Encourages viewers to apply these strategies to grow their own channels. Teases additional content by inviting viewers to watch the next video for a framework to keep viewers engaged until the end. Thanks viewers for watching and promises more valuable content in the next video.